This is Sugar Skull Part 1 with audio. So, what you're going to need to do for the Sugar Skull, step 1, is that you're going to need this sheet. The sheet should have this on the back where it's Sugar Skull symbols, handout, and on the front side it should say Sugar Skull Drawing Guide. But we're just going to focus on the drawing guide for now. So, what's the first thing that you need to do is first fold paper into fours. Make a small dot near the top, bottom, and 2 sides. So I need to fold this like this. And then fold my paper like so. Then it says make a small dot near the top, bottom, and 2 sides. So I'm going to put a dot right here. And I'm going to put a dot under this line that's right here. Not very close to the edge, but close enough. So I'm going to put one here, and I'm going to put one there. From the top dot, draw a curved line to the right hand dot. Right hand is over here. So I'm going to draw a curved line starting at this dot, and I'm going to curve it like this. Because part of the skull is kind of curved, or it caves in. And do the same thing to the other side. So I'm going to curve it to meet that line. Step 3, starting at the right hand dot, that's this dot right over here, draw a curved line to the bottom dot. Now I accidentally did not draw my bottom dot, so I'm going to draw a bottom dot down here, and it says draw a curved line to the bottom dot. This is a chin, so don't make the curved line too wide. Repeat on the other side. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make it kind of curve. And like it said, I don't want to make it curve too much out. I want to make it curve in sooner rather than later. I'm going to erase that a bit. And do the same thing to the other side. Alright, now it says draw 2 dots where you want the eyes and draw large circles around the dot. Add a line for the mouth. Okay, so I'm going to focus on the eyes. So I'm going to draw a dot here, and I'm going to draw a dot here for the eyes. And it says draw large circles around the dots. And again, these are my eyes. And then draw a line for the mouth. So I'm going to draw the line down here, because that's where the mouth should be. I don't want it to be too close to the chin, and I don't want it too close to the eyes, because that's where the nose needs to be. Now, to draw the nose on your skull, you can always do either a heart shape where you're making it look like this, an upside down heart. I'm going to show you the 3 bump way. So what you do is you start up here and you curve like this, and you make a bigger bump in the middle and a smaller bump on the side. It's kind of like you're making a triangle with 3 bumps on the bottom. Now you can decorate this however you wish, however, you need to use a line of symmetry. That means whatever you do to one side of the skull, you need to do the same thing to the other side. For instance, since I'm an art teacher, I'm going to make this look like an artsy kind of skull. So maybe I want to put like a paintbrush on the middle of its forehead, but I'm trying to make it look like the same on both sides. So I'm like doing a little brush head, it's pointy at the top. So in the middle of the forehead, and maybe I might make a paint tray on the top of his forehead. And I'm going to do 6 because there's 6 colors in the rainbow. 6. Now it's up to you of how you want to do this, but try to make Sugar Skull look like something that represents you, because this is your Sugar Skull. Alright, so again, you're using a line of symmetry, and take your time on this. You don't need to rush it. It doesn't need to get done in one day. But again, like I said before, whatever you do to one side of the skull, you need to do to the other side.